Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix valorant 152 in League of Legends. So here's what you're gonna do. Open search, type in CMD and find command prompt and then run it as administrator. Click yes, and in it, type in this, SC space delete space VGK. Press enter and it will say success. And then you type in SC space delete space VGC. Enter and it will say okay, and now you exit out of this. I can type, doesn't matter. Go to search, type in add or remove programs, and in here you want to click here, search apps, type in right, find right Vanguard, click on install, click yes again, and wait for it to be fully uninstalled. After that is done, you want to exit out of this and relaunch Riot Client. And once the Riot Client opens, you want to click on League of Legends, click Update, and it will install Riot Vanguard. Allow it and let it download and install it. And if you click play, you won't be able to play because your game requires a restart. And it says after installation, a reboot of your computer is necessary. You want to exit out of this, go back to search, type in run. Once it opens, you want to type in this services.msc, click OK. It will open this window. You want to press somewhere here, press the V on your keyboard till you find VGC. You want to double click on it. Once it opens, switch this startup type from manual to automatic. Click apply, click OK. Exit out of this, and now you want to go back to search one more time, type in system configuration, go to services tab, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. Untick it, take it back again, click apply, click OK, and it will ask you to restart your PC. And now click restart, and after you restart your PC, your game should work properly. Now, if the same problem still persists, there's like 3 options you can do. First is contacting Riot support, which somehow usually doesn't help in this case. The second thing you can do is downgrade to Windows 10, which is more stable for League in general, so you can it has way less errors. And the third thing, you can update your motherboard's BIOS, and after you do that, most of the problems are fixed that way. Or update your driver for internet if it's really outdated, or Wi-Fi. And if you're using Wi-Fi, plug in a cable, or just simply check your internet. If it's really bad, then it's your ISP's fault, not League, whatever. But yeah, that's it for this video. That's how you fix valorant 152 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.